All right, guys, here we are. First major snow of the year. I was up at 7:30 this morning, and there was nothing on the ground. I was up really late talking to our good friend Gail Hightower till about, 1:30, 2 o'clock this morning. So I went back to sleep and got up at 10 o'clock this morning to probably a good at least 3 inches here on the ground, and my right front brake pad is totally gone, and you can see the plow truck just kind of went right there across the street. I guess they don't plow this particular road. I got a car coming, so I'm waiting here a second. And this road, Raymondskill Road here, is a mess. So I'm trying to get out to get some propane so I can stay warm, and we'll see how I fare to get to the end of the road here. I'm hoping the main road is a little bit clearer. They usually take a little bit better care of that. And yeah. I mean, it's not bad. I've seen worse. I'm just trying to, be a little gentle with my truck until I can get it fixed. So, all right. First major storm of the year. Don't even know how much we're supposed to get. We'll catch you later, guys. Stay warm. Well, this is the main road between Milford and Dingman's Ferry. So PennDOT is supposed to be taking care of this road. They probably did brine it last night, with the wettable stuff, or early this morning. But they won't touch this until it stops for the most part. And I had to click in the old four-wheel drive because there are like springs in certain spots underneath this road, and like when it rains you can see it like seeping through the blacktop in some areas. So I want to be careful and not spin out on some ice underneath this. And I tell you, I hate the snow anymore. I know it's pretty and all that. It's too cold, and I'm getting too old for it. But I got to get out. I got to get my propane so I can stay warm tonight, and at least for the next 5-6 days. And yeah. Hopefully the hill that I got to turn up on is a little better than this, going back up towards my former residence. And so we'll see what happens when I get there. Stay tuned.